This is Teacher Bird. You're probably here because you lack confidence speaking in meetings, doing presentations in English. Perhaps you're uncomfortable about your vocabulary. Maybe you think you make a lot of mistakes in English. You're probably much better than you think you are. However, this group is a place for you to be able to practice your English, learn new things, and just gain confidence so that you can be more successful in your career. You can join the global economy. You can get promotions. You can work for US, Canadian companies, European companies using the universal language of business English. It's not that difficult, but we do need to polish it. And that's what I do. I've been working with ESL, IT, and business professionals for the last 5 years, helping them get better business English and just be more comfortable, more confident, speaking in meetings, speaking during presentations, doing a presentation, impressing people with their English, being able to be comfortable and bringing their business English to the same level as their other skills. You can do this. Wherever you are in your English journey, I'm here to help. Join our free community, meet other people who face the same challenges you do, and people who have succeeded and have brought their English to a higher level and are comfortable speaking. I also have a free course for you all about making small talk, and small talk is so important. It is how we build relationships. And this small talk course is more than just small talk. It's going to teach you a lot of good English, a lot of usable English, English to put into your conversations. And I have some valuable tips throughout the discussions and that to help you get better. This is a really exciting place to be. School is the up and coming place to get courses, learn, talk with people, includes everything. Thank you for coming, and I hope you will be a member and contribute. That's what's really important, is contributing in the group. That's where you're really going to make headway. And I will also be doing free Zoom live meetings where you can speak during a meeting environment. And this is going to really help you.